next song, the last but not the least. Now, this is a big one. This is a big drop. A big drop. A make or break drop. I won't say make or break. But essentially, Joeboy is on a rollout for an album this year. Already announced it. Already made it clear. And this is one of the rollouts to it, I guess. Or one of the singles to it. And I'm excited about this. I'm elated. I spoke on my most anticipated albums this year, and Joeboy was definitely very well on that list. I'm looking forward to his album. I'm looking forward to the run that he can have. Had a very subtle and underrated 2022. Amazing stellar records like Contour and Liquid Rhythm. Those were bops. I hope they make the album. This is a good material that he could put out. Now this new one is called Body and Soul. He might be getting Loverboy Joeboy because he has been hinting about him being Loverboy, having a lot of love songs. Evidently, he might need to follow up with that buzz with the love song, right? And I'm curious what this one is gonna say. Body and Soul by Joeboy. Let's go. Yep.
Give me your bag, make I feel like I'm the only one, you don't need another. I hold you down. You know this, baby.
Oh, that progression just gave me chills right now, man. That was beautiful. What? You see that? That progression was nice.
You don't get anywhere where I want go. If I could, I would love you in my next life. I don't really care about tomorrow. I just love my body and bone.
I guess that was a pre-chorus to the song. Very wordy. Could have been easier, or at least a lot. Basically, this run into the chorus was a little wordy. There's some part of me that's itching. This is part of me that's itching a nicer progression for this, because I think there was a nice build up in terms of where the chords were going. There's something about it that feels like there's a particular song that is coming to mind, and is that I'm itching for that, almost that same feeling from that song. There's a song that's coming to mind. It has some beautiful da-da-da. I can't remember who sang this song, but essentially this song is scratching me to get a particular feeling, and it's not quite hitting the spot. Yeah, I said that. It's not quite hitting it in terms of how the chords are progressing.
I love the way you put it on me. That's the way you do me, you demand me. It's a vibe and I'm rocking your body.
Okay. Hey, we're building up. He's using his head voice for this entire verse, man. That's interesting. It looks like he's struggling. It feels like he's struggling. Essentially, he's using his head voice. And he doesn't really use his head voice that often. I don't think so. I don't think he does that often. This is interesting from him. It's gonna do a whole verse like that. That's crazy. That's why I didn't see that coming from him. Why did the transition just die down? What was that? Okay. Something just died. Something about the song just died. It feels like something died and went back into the long drums, cheesy stuff. Like why? Okay, harmony. Okay. That was a interesting listen, man. Interesting. Oh my gosh, the arrangement of the song. Oh, I don't think it's the most. Yeah, man. There's a few things, a few tweaks and decisions there that I don't think favored the song. Bro. Okay, first off, the chorus of the song is essentially a beat drop, which I'm not mad at. And usually the telephone effect is usually nice to back it up on top of the beat, which is cool, it's calm. But the pre-chorus is usually what serves as a good moment. And I don't see an impact on the pre-chorus enough for me to fall in love with it. The melody is it's calm. It's like itching for something better, for something more, and it just doesn't hit that bar. Bottom line is there's some decisions here that didn't really serve the song. We got a moment where Joeboy was using his head voice, which was good, I would say. I don't think we've seen him hit that kind of tone ever. I don't think I've heard Joeboy stretch himself as much as he did there. So I mean, I can applaud it, and I can even applaud the progression behind the production there. It looks like they were amplifying, they were building up momentum for something, and then right after that head voice cut that we had there, it's like you were having fun and you thought of your grandma and just like, you know what I mean? It just went down. Man. But you understand what I mean? Like the excitement it just dropped. I mean, just got the most generic, most straight up log drums, like it just felt like, bro. And then we got it back again. It came back a little bit, then it came back, and it left again. So it's like, it was a weird roller coaster. There were a lot of things they were trying to do. They were making so many claims at the end. I didn't really like. It just made it a little too chaotic. That they were going for something dynamic, and I applaud it. I applaud the decision there. But bro, it was seeming too much, and this song could have been a lot simpler, and it would have been like just a lot simpler. The build up that you had for especially that head voice points, take that to the end, almost end on that note. It would have been stellar, or build up on that level, stay on that level. Don't die down. Don't lose momentum. But they lost it at some point. Anyway, definitely we need more listens to the song. This is my first spin at the song, but I can already pinpoint things that essentially are not. Yeah, man, they're not giving me the entire feeling that I love. But either way, man, it is what it is. That was Joeboy and Body and Soul. He definitely tried some new things. Yeah, and I can applaud it. Oh man, it's crazy because he had a streak, man, with Contour and Liquor Rhythm.